Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Ransomware is a terrifying crime, and most businesses aren't aware of it. It's where cybercriminals break into your network, encrypt your data, and won't give it back until you pay a ransom fee. In some attacks, they secretly spend weeks in your network changing settings, so it's nearly impossible to kick them out or recover data once the attack has started. Official advice says never pay a ransom fee, as there's no guarantee you'll get your data back and you may be targeted again in the future. However, a new survey's been done of business leaders who've already been attacked. 97% of them say if they were attacked again, they'd pay the ransom to minimize the damage. A third would pay it instantly. What does that tell you about how badly it affects businesses? The only way to protect is to prepare. This is what we do. We help businesses increase their cybersecurity to reduce their chances of being affected. Let's talk. That's your tech update. More next week.